Day 9 of Project 50. So, I'm here again sa Sapa to have a break since madami nangyari sa bahay, and yun nga, to be honest, I'm sad, I'm upset for some reasons kasi madami nga nangyayari, but it's okay. I just need a break here and get back to work since tapos na rin naman ako sa morning task ko, which is yung mag-meditate, mag-pray, and nakapagbasa na rin ako. So far, maganda pa rin naman yung run ng task ko throughout the day sa schedule ko, sa journal. So after this, I need to get to work again, to study, to work out. About workout, I'm supposed to hit gym today, but yun nga, nagkaroon ulit ng problem. So yeah, I think I need to stick to home workout muna for now. Ang hirap talaga pag yun nga, you're broke, like you can't afford anything. Halos di mo mabili yung gusto mo, even your needs. Kahit nga yung pagkain mo sa araw-araw problem mo pa rin. But yeah, I'm lucky. It happens for a reason. So yeah, I think need ko na ilublob yung sarili ko dito. So yeah, medyo goods na ako. So yeah, that's it. That's how it works. I think every time na may nangyayari, I just need a break and then go back to work. Ay siya. I actually look stupid here, to be honest. Like, nakaupo ako dito, just holding this camera and talking to myself. And this is actually one of the best thing na nag-gain ko dito sa Project 50, which is to record myself. At first, it's actually embarrassing to record myself, like to talk myself like this. Hey bro, you gotta do your best every day. You gotta be the best version of yourself. Hey. But yeah, actually I realized people actually don't care kung ano itsura ko, like yan, even though I'm sabog or what, you actually have yourself in the end. kahit nga anong i-record ko or i-video ko, it doesn't matter, to be honest. Why? It's my life. I'm actually the main character of my story, you know. So don't let anyone rewrite your stories. I know, ulit nga nang naririnig yun, pero yun nga, ito naman talaga yun. Don't let anyone rewrite your stories. It's your own. It's your own pen and paper. Yeah, that's it. It actually depends on you how you live your life. How you write your own story. Kung sino ka ba sa kwento mo? Ano ka ba sa kwento mo, you know? Are you a villain? Are you a hero or what? Are you going to live your life successful or not? Are you going to waste it or not? That's it. And you are the only person who decides if you're going to be happy or sad. Yeah, to be honest, I'm sad right now. I'm sad, I'm broken. But I decided to be happy. I know, yeah. I know it's still heavy, but so yeah. Habang tumatagal, natututo na rin ako sa Project 50. I don't know if ito ba yung purpose ng project. Yo, so it's time to track my progress to my journal. Here. So today is September 15, and yeah, so first is do your morning routine with no distractions. I did that earlier, and I do exercise today for 1 hour. Actually, more than 1 hour nga. Then I read 10 pages of book today, and yeah, dedicate 1 hour toward a new skill. Yes. Oops. Next is eat a healthy diet. Yeah, so far, ang goal ko kasi dito is to eat natural food, no process, and to post 1 content a day. Yes, and track your daily progress in your journal. Yes, and get 8 hours of sleep. So after this, matutulog na rin ako agad. So this is actually the best part of the day, is to track your progress. So today is great, and yeah, tapos ko yung task ko for the whole day. And yeah, even though there's something happened today, like there's a lot of random problems, like halos sabay-sabay na siya, pero that's okay. That's okay. Like, look, we're not sad. We're not sad. Yeah. Miss you. Alright, so that's for today.